Finding a perfect time to shoot a YouTube video is a struggle in Nigeria, especially as I am in my father's house now during this partial lockdown where you cannot leave your city. I came on a visit and I have been locked down here. It's been 3 weeks. Now look across the road, you see tricycles loading passengers, taking them different places, generating a lot of noise. Go to the window side and you can see an overview of the street, a T-junction, a main road. It's been days and I haven't shot a video. What do I do? This is getting crazier. Now take a look outside. These guys are always making noises, shouting and arguing. What do I do? This is a struggle, guys. Gosh. I gotta shoot this video. And it's noisy here, so I need to drive out. I need to go. I gotta shoot this video today. Holy crap, this place is usually very quiet and I had to drive about 30 minutes from my house to this place in search of some quiet, but from the background you can hear the amount of noise that is here. This is actually the market day. Yes, they have days for their markets. On non-market days, it's always as quiet as a graveyard, but today is their market day and it's 30 minutes drive from my house to this place, and this place is even noisier than my house. So I think I need to get out of here now before the noise deafens me. So I'm back home now, trying to see if I can use my laptop to record. Oh gosh, there's no light, there's no power in my laptop. Unless I'll have to use the gen, but the generator is going to make a lot of noise. Maybe I'll have to use my phone, Jare. Let me use my phone. Trying to record a video in my room back then when I was a boy and still living in this house. This was my room. It's quiet now, nobody's there, it's dirty. Nobody likes to come there, so it's quiet in there. But it's just so hot. It's so inconvenient. The environment is not looking attractive, and you shouldn't be seeing this kind of room. You shouldn't see it. I can't put this on YouTube. I'm filming in a bush. And you might be thinking I have a tripod. Let me show you the tripod. You see, in between this wood, I placed the phone in between this wood, and that's the tripod. You see? Fits it. That's the struggle. The struggle is real, guys. Now, the most beautiful place in your house is the noisiest. And the quietest place is the most unattractive. Now, I'm in the garden. The location of where I live is a very noisy environment. You just have to make the best out of your situation. Now, I don't have all the gears required for YouTube content creation, but I make the best out of what I have because I'm a small YouTuber. Now, I'm seeing trees around. Like this kind of tree now. I'm seeing a potential tripod here. This is a potential tripod. So let's try it. Yes, you can see my hands up. Wow, it worked. How was your day today? It was a stressful day for me. As you see, I had a lot of activities. Trying to shoot a video, looking for the best place with the least noise. It was tough. And where I went today, I didn't know it was the market day, because that place is usually very quiet, but unfortunately I didn't have the right information. I went on a market day and the place was hellish with the noise that was emanating from the stores. I guess I'll not be able to shoot that video today again. But come to think of it, I'm shooting the video already. I'm doing it against all odds. I hope you like the video. Subscribe, share the video, encourage me. You see what we put in, we put in a lot of energy. And for the guys who are very, very comfortable, the big time guys, or people who are in saner environments with less noise levels, you guys are fortunate. But there are no excuses. A man's got to do what he's got to do. Okay, the noise, the environment is not going to stop me. Okay, this quarantine period, I am locked up at my parents' house, so it's been tough doing videos, but I just try to get by, because my parents live in a very high noise level area and it's tough. Okay, but I've been here 3 weeks and I don't know how much longer I'll have to be here, so I cannot suspend all my content creation activities till the lockdown is over, because I don't know when it will be over. So that's it, guys. It's a wrap. I'll see you guys later. Bye.